So, today I'm reviewing a sandwich from Pennine Wine and Cheese. In my opinion, the best sandwich shop in Hebden Bridge. I also got two sandwiches because the one I wanted, the Bengal, which is amazing, wasn't in. They didn't have the right ingredients, so I couldn't decide between the two. So I've got a House and a Grand Canyon. The House is roast chicken, sweet chili sauce, crispy onion and lettuce. The Grand Canyon is turkey, Swiss cheese, hummus, tomato and salt and pepper. So you get two, get them cut in half, got two dinners, pretty much a winner. Although I'll probably eat them all now. I also get them on ciabatta here because their ciabattas are really nice. Oh, they haven't cut them in half, so we'll just eat half at a time. So this is the House. Take a look at that bad boy. Sweet chili, chicken, lovely ciabatta. Right. That is really good. Nice kick. They also salt and pepper their sandwiches. Just something to do at home. It's a nice touch. Shows real love and care. We got some nice drinks. Washing it down with a pomegranate and orange San Pellegrino. Yes. This is how we roll. Ooh. I haven't had it before. That's like grapey. I'm not sure how into that I am. Have another bite. Not quite as good as the Bengal. Bengal is amazing, but pretty good. Those crispy onions are like fried onions. They had a really nice crunch to it. So overall, I'd say 7.5 to 8, 7 3/4 out of 10. Because I haven't cut it in half, I'll do the second sandwich later as a part 2 of this sandwich review.